Lucas. Look at Mommy. Oh! Can you get up? Yes? Are you sitting in the snow?
Yeah.
Say hi to Mommy. Do you need help? Don't take it off. Don't take it off. Here.
Yeah.
You need a hand? Okay. Woo! Careful! Whoa! This snow is deep.
Yeah.
Yeah. You need a hand? Oh, you did.
Yeah.
Can you clean your hands? All right. Good boy. Whoa! Is this fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Lucy! Lucy! Come on, Todd. Come on, Lucy. Good girl. Here comes Lucy. Oh, she changed her mind. What's up, Lucas? Do you like to walk in the snow?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, man. What are those crazy dogs doing? Whoa, whoa. Get up. Do you need help? Help? Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. Where are you going, Lucas? Where are you going? Whoa! Here comes Lucy! Lucy to the rescue! Hey, Lucy! Get up, honey! Get up! Up! 1, 2, 3! Whoa! Where are you going? Whoa! Get up! Get up, bud! What are you doing? You need help? Okay, all right. Here comes Lucy. Hey, Lucy. What's up, girl? Uh-oh. Oh, my goodness. Whoa.
No.
Do you need help? Okay, hold on.